Thank you, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir. B497.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, chronic kidney disease is a significant health burden affecting around 200,000 Mauritian patients. Presently, there are around 1,550 patients on dialysis, comprising around 1,500 patients in Mauritius and 50 patients in Rodrigue. Among these dialysis patients, those who are clinically eligible and who have donors are given access to renal transplantation, which not only results in better quality of life, but also ensures cost savings over the long run. Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, I wish to inform the House that after an 8-month gap with a number of issues pertaining to functioning of equipment and availability of consumables, my ministry has restarted the renal transplant program, and 2 patients were operated in April 2025 by a team of surgeons from Marriott Hospital, Chennai. My ministry has also simultaneously established a number of partnerships with renal transplant surgeons comprising the Mauritian diaspora experts and non-Mauritians working in United Kingdom and India to impart the necessary training to our health professionals, as well as conduct renal transplant cases in Mauritius. These include Professor Nizam Mahmood, who has previously been assisting the renal transplant program, and Professor Derek Manas, amongst others. My ministry is now arranging for a different team to come to Mauritius every 4 to 8 weeks to carry out 3 to 4 transplant cases over a period of 1 week. The forthcoming team, which is expected from Marriott Hospital, Chennai, in June 2025, will carry out 3 cases of renal transplantation. With regard to Part B of the question, I am informed that for urgent cases of renal transplant, protocols are in place at hospital level for the workup of patients and donors. The procedures involve urine and blood testing as well as radiological and cardiac investigations prior to the surgical interventions. In addition, the renal transplant immunology laboratory at Victoria Hospital, with the assistance of a team from Guy's Hospital, United Kingdom, has been upgraded to the latest standards. The nuclear medicine department is now also fully functional to carry out advanced renal function tests on the donor. I am further informed that for non-urgent cases, kidney transplant surgery from living donors is an elective procedure and needs full evaluation of both the donor and the recipient. Moreover, full workup and follow-up of donors and recipients are done by medical and nursing staff of my ministry through Central Health Laboratory, nephrology units, dialysis units. Therefore, patients are listed in order of priority for the next visiting foreign team to carry out the renal transplantation.
Yes.
Are there any campaigns being carried out by the ministry to raise public awareness and with a view to boosting organ registration, donation?
Well, the NCD, the the Non-Communicable Diseases Department, has undertaken the work, and we are doing it.